Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com hourly analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, March 4th, 2013. Well, the candle we're analysing at the moment, this current hour that's just completed trading, is this second last candle here. The last item that we have here is a candle that's currently developing in the hour, and here we see a market that remains trending up. Prior to that, we had an inside bar in bar chart terms, obviously a bar of indecision. It does suggest there is potential for a change of trend to the downside, and this candle has taken out the high of the previous candle, but certainly not taken out the low, so still no change of trend at the moment, but a very strong possibility of a change of trend. At the start of today's trading, we saw the market rally. It opened up above the middle point level, obviously the blue dotted line here, and rallied to the first pivot point level of resistance, and has been rejected from there in the following two candles. Very indecisive type trading. The first candle here at the start here was a doji type candle, then a white body candle where the buyers attempted to make some progress. They did trade the market up through the 130.25 important resistance level that held as previous resistance late in the prior day's trading day, rallied to the first pivot point resistance level, and then sold off to find support down at the 130.25 EUR. So this highlights very well how previous resistance can now turn into support. And for the final two candles on the chart here, 130.25 is held as support. So that is an important level for this market moving forward. With this current candle as it's trading, the sellers have taken control by closing down towards the low, and we have seen some stronger rejection now than we've seen for the previous 3 hours of trading, so that does suggest that there is a possibility of the market trading to the downside. In terms of Ichimoku at the moment, we have a neutral market by trading within the cloud, so no clear bias in big picture terms, but the market is bullish in the medium and fast term time frames by trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, which is just here, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, so bullish in the faster time frames. That suggests that there is potential for the market to trade higher, but we do have the pivot point resistance levels overhead close by the 130.40 level roughly, and then up to the 130.60 level that coincides with the top of the cloud, and that will be a very hard barrier for this market to break if it does rally up to that second pivot point resistance level. To the downside, if we do sell off, obviously 130.25, and then just below there at 130.20 roughly is the bottom of the cloud, and that has potential to hold a strong support. And then at the middle pivot point level at 130.12, that should provide some strong support. And then we have the first pivot point support level down around the 129.94 region, and then very, very strong support at the roughly around the 129.68 to 129.63 level, coinciding with the second pivot point support level. Prior to today's trading, for the previous day's trading, we saw the market open up down below the middle pivot point level, attempted rally through there. We also had a flat Kijun-sen. The market was bearish by trading down below the cloud in the long-term time frame, attempted to rally back up again towards the flat Kijun-sen, but the middle pivot point held as resistance and sold off, and the market was oscillating above and below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, so really no good solid direction in this market for the latter half of the day's trading for the previous day. We have seen the market rally in the latter part of the day towards the pivot point and find resistance there once again, but with the market trading up through there with the establishment of today's trading and finding resistance at that first pivot point level of resistance, as I've mentioned. So obviously there is a strong possibility of the market trading lower. If we do see a bearish breakout down below the cloud, it will be a sell signal in Ichimoku charts terms. We do have very strong support here around the middle pivot point level because it coincides with the area that the Kijun-sen is trading in. But if we see bearish activity down below, there is a real possibility of the market trading down to the 129.94 support level, and then possibly down to 129.68. The market will do it tough to rally through the cloud, but super strong resistance overhead at the top of the cloud at 130.62.